Yeah, we're on our way to Hermosa Beach. Gonna meet up with Lorenzo.
You out here vlogging?
Traffic. We just showed up to Hermosa. Here's my sexy car right here. It's green like a Lambo. We're gonna go find Lorenzo. If you're a real beach person, even if it's hot, you can't wear your sandals. It's illegal. Volleyballs are back. What's he doing? It's like he's on a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Yeah, take your camera out, dude.
There he is.
It's Lorenzo. Look at this. Look at this.
Yo, what's up, dude? These are my boys.
Alright, we have to go in. Right away.
Right away.
You gotta hop in. We just got here. First thing you gotta do is just hop in.
Look, bro, I took my underwear off and you didn't even see it.
What the hell? What the hell?
Techniques right there.
Alright, you ready now?
The lens is, no, it's all good. It's just a refraction.
I just finished from hopping in the water. Lorenzo's planning his next flip or something over there. What are you gonna do?
Got the guys here.
Hermosa! Hey, man. Hey.
High angles for
There you go. High angles. Get yourself skinny in there. So he hurt you. We only go twice a week now. It's a sick video right here, look. Any dislikes yet? Any dislikes? No dislikes? I don't think so. Alright, good. Let's get to it.
Family Mart time.
So, Nathan took Lorenzo's phone saying he's gonna fix this video.
Yeah.
He puts his own video on the loudspeaker.
Wow, is that really what you're thinking about?
Look at how much hot dogs they have in the morning.
They got a whole bunch of stuff in the morning.
Is anybody looking over here?
She looking for more food? On a budget now. Spent a lot of money on this trip. Did we? Yeah, kind of. But, you know, still, you gotta stay on a budget.
They're trying to attack me. Oh, he's working out. I tried to attack him during his workout. This guy just goes into a plank out of nowhere. Are you good?
What was the other one we're supposed to do?
High knees.
Oh, God.
Let me get the running. Let's get the running man going.
That's a high knee. Damn! My boy hitting the cardio right here. Jumping jacks, okay. Then Nathan, I want 7 burpees and then you're done. I want 7 burpees. 7 burpees, come on.
Wait, what are burpees?
The push up to jump.
Oh boy. Get him!
7 burpees, Nathan.
More burpees.
No rest.
More burpees. You like jump up, go down to a push up? I don't know how this happened, but like all of a sudden, like Nathan started working out, and then Lorenzo started working out.
I'm not working out. I'm a bitch.
You were just showing him?
Yeah. Oh, he didn't.
Good thing you said that, because I was feeling the pressure, and I'm like, shit. Am I next? Uh-oh. Nurse. You want to come get pad thai?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Alright, dude.
Bye, nurse. See you in a bit.
Alright.
Later. Well, you get paid for your videos, so it's different. Yeah, say that for my video. I'm hungry. Hey.
Nathan, you gotta
Cracker tweak.
you gotta tell me what's good and what's not in that restaurant.
My phone needs to cool down. Uh-oh. That's how you know it's summer. At least it's not too cold.
When it's cold, they work better. Oh, the scissors. Check out that core engagement right there. Oh, butt down, butt down. Yeah, there you go.
You gotta squeeze your butt cheek. Squeeze your butt cheeks. That's how you get a 1-pack.
Yes, sir.
Alright, what else?
Handstand push-ups.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Damn.
Alright, ready? Alright, this one's the one.
There you go, that's clean. You got it, dude.
Yeah, you know. We're working out for 20 years. Right on, brother. Some sand in my mouth.
Thoughts?
Just chill, you know.
Nathan's still doing it.
Oh.
Damn. This is the pissing dog.
It's the Italian eggplant. Hey, no cussing in videos. No, my
I can do it again if he was on like ready?
Yo, where are my sandals?
Where's my sandals?
I don't know. Alright, we're about to head out. It's a chill day. Yeah. Chill beach day. You guys hungry?
Let's go get some food.
It's time to eat.
Oh yeah, I gotta do that.
Alright. Yo.
Oh, there he is.
We're here to pick up big nurse right now. Yeah, where's he at?
Oh, he's way back there.
I called nurse in my car.
Oh, nurse is going with.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Alright.
I forgot that we are in 2020 and we need a mask.
Nathan started working out out of nowhere. So I think all the boys ordered pretty much the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Chicken pad thai?
They got chicken.
Oh, beef?
and chicken.
Beef?
Oh, you guys.
Beef squad.
Alright, hold on. I got.
That's funny because you guys were in the same car.
Yo, so wait, what'd you guys?
So we got the chicken car and I got the beef car. Alright, so we just got our food from the TheGarden. And we're gonna go find somewhere to eat now. Let's do it.
He said it.
I can't wait.
He said it.
Kakun cow, dude. Kakun cow.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yo. Alright. My name is Arnold and we have to get to the chopper. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Yeah, I'm gonna say the same things you said, but for my video, because that's just how it is nowadays.
Same thing, like 3 people doing the same thing.
No, I think it's a little different. It's a little bit
Everybody
different.
has
Yeah.
Guys, so
See, now I got you. Here you go.
you vlog.
Record your food. You got extra nuts?
Extra nuts.
You love nuts, don't you?
In my mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Nathan, you want it?
Alright, so at the end of the day, this place was fucking garbage because they forgot my fork, so I'm gonna have to borrow Lorenzo's spoon now. Yep. I eat my Thai food with spoons. There we go. Nurse, you coming to Thailand? Oh. Nathan missed it. Oh my god. Did you see that?
What?
You just missed it.
I don't even know what I said.
Say, why don't you drink that Sprite, alright?
Yo, nurse, why don't you drink that Sprite, alright?
you know where Nathan has been, alright? He marks for everybody.
Dude. Nathan,
Yo.
inside the napkin,
Yeah.
there was
A little surprise.
soy sauce. No, soy sauce. Soy sauce. Oh!
Alright, end of the vlog. We're gonna head out. I don't know what's going on anymore. Like, later.
Later. Said, look, the Democrats
Yeah, I gotta do the same thing.
have been fundamentally unserious.
Later.
Alright, big guy.
Later. See ya.
Later, guys.
Have a good one.
Here, I gotta